Hi, it's Grandma Annie. Did you make yourself an Arctic habitat so your animals could play in it? Did you make some snow? The snow feels really good and it's cold and wet. Did you know that the Arctic is the North Pole and the North Pole is the Arctic? And did you know that there's no land? There's only snow and big giant chunks of ice called icebergs. And then it's all over the top of the Arctic Ocean. I never knew all of that stuff either, but now I'm learning it. And did you know that there's lots and lots of animals that live in the North Pole and the Arctic? There's over 5,000 different kinds of animals. That's a lot. That's more than you can count on all your fingers. So a polar bear, he is the biggest land predator in the whole world. Did you know that? He's so big. He's even bigger than a black bear and a brown bear. He's really big. And did you know he's a mammal? So he feeds his little baby cubs milk. That's yummy. That's just like your mommy fed you. So he likes to walk around and look for plants and roots and things like that. But one thing he really likes to eat is seals. All the animals have to eat other things so they survive. And then the seals, they have to eat fish so they can survive. So they like to play a game of trying to catch the fish and stay away from the polar bears. It's kind of like a game where they hide and run and swim in the water and try to get away. And then there's walrus. Look at this walrus. He has great big teeth. They live in the North Pole in the Arctic too. And let me see, what else do we have? Oh, we have this Arctic wolf. These Arctic wolves, sometimes they dig their den in the snow. Did you know that? And they have their babies in there. They're little puppies, just like dogs do. And then there's a fox. The fox, they like to run around and eat all kinds of different things. Sometimes they eat lemming. Lemming are kind of like a little mouse, or maybe just a little rodent. Did you notice something about all these animals that was the same? Did you say white? That they were white? Look at them. They're all white. Most of them are white. This fox is white. This wolf is white. This baby polar bear is white. And of course, the big mama polar bear is white. And this little baby white seal is white. And what happened? Oh, I lost the little white owl. Woo, 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 woo. But I want to tell you something that I bet you didn't know, because I didn't even know it. Sometimes in pictures, you see penguins playing with polar bears. But guess what? They don't even live in the same spot. The polar bears live in the North Pole in the Arctic, and the penguins live in Antarctica. Hey, who are you? I never saw you before. I'm a big, giant polar bear. I'm the biggest land mammal that's on the land. I'm the biggest predator. Well, we are just little penguins, and we like to play in the snow at our house. Well, I'm glad to meet you, but I never met you before. Yeah, we better go back to our house. So they are going to fly back. They flew back. They don't live in the North Pole. They don't live in the Arctic. Did you know that? I didn't know that either. Well, I hope you're having a lot of fun with all of your fun animals playing in your habitat. It's so much fun. Hey, I want to swim down here. Wait, we're coming in. I like to play in sensory activities. It's really fun. And I really like the snow. It's the most fun of all. So I hope you're having fun. And now you know a little bit more about the North Pole. See you later. Stay warm.